Nice. Woo! How you doing? This is a nice place. I want to get off now. We're coming down some intense.
Welcome back. In part 1 we scrambled to the top of Pen Yr Ole Wen. We endured stream crossings, knee-high snow,
Deep there, brother. Awesome.
slippery ice, scrambles covered in snow,
Up there, and down there.
and outstanding views. The next part of our adventure took us along the ridgeline to Carnedd Daffyd, where we discovered a local secret ski run.
Our tube down there, I reckon. Tube? Tubing.
Nice run, but next time I'm definitely bringing a snowboard. The journey to the next scrambling section involved a long hike, so to break it up, we had fun in the snow.
Good motion, Kurt. Nice.
In high spirits, we were soon back on our way,
Anything you've been dreaming of.
heading towards the Llywelyn Spur and Cribblem, another grade 1 scramble on the list. You know I'm coming back for that in the future.
Scramble.
Due to slippery boots, short down scrambles were turned into toboggan slides.
Oh, that's a hell of a rock.
I don't want to do it.
Oh, let the dead leg straight out. Where is it?
There, just there. Yeah, look.
Instant dead leg. Boom, send it, man. Get the dead leg like I did. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, that hurts. Woo! Well executed. What's the dead leg? Oh,
With cramp setting in, it was time for the hard slog up Carnedd Llywelyn.
we're getting there. We're pushing on. Oh. Always bring spikes or crampons.
After summiting Carnedd Llywelyn, it was time for the best scrambles on the whole route.
Is it bad, is it?
Well, it's only a little bit, but you slipped and gone there.
Steady cut. 10 metres. Oh, it's already started.
Yeah. Have any of you got spiky stuff?
That's what I like about the mountains. There's always someone there to give you advice whether you need it or not.
It's just your last person.
Yeah, I'm alright, I'll just go down with a spike.
Hey, this is cooked. We've got the ropes on. We're coming down some intense shit.
Yes, boys. Ropes out. Yes, buddy, you made it. Yeah. Well done, bro. Come on, woman, stay close. Keep going, brother. Woo-wee! Go on, what do you do there, bro?
Oh, amazing.
Yes, brother. Well done, you made it. Simon, that's you now. Yes, Simon.
Once again, my £30 decathlon spikes gave a sterling performance.
Well executed.
Then it was tally-ho to the gnarliest scramble of them all. While learning ice spikes are only as good as a person that's using them. left to the iced over path on the sheer drop, or right and cut our own trail.
Mate, this is bonkers. Fair play.
Gnarly, Bruce.
What you say, Woody?
Right it was.
Hey!
We're there, brother.
Look at that.
Ready?
Yes, brother.
After a sketchy scramble, cramp was affecting most of us.
God, this is what it's about, man.
Well done, boys. Really well done, man.
Oh, mate, that was sketchy scramble there.
Well done, Tyler, bringing up the rear. Well done, Brandon. Good effort, bruv.
Sick.
Yeah, bruv. Clouds on the summit made us lose our way, but the GPS saved the day.
Oh, send it.
But on the descent, all that was forgotten.
Woo! Yo!
That was fun.
Badass.
That's badass.
Touch you, brother.
Go on, Woods.
How you doing? It's a nice place.
Yes, Woody.
I come here a lot.
All that was left was an off-route path to the road.